Hi everyone, this is Mitch. I have been using my xTool M1 for about 1.5 years, and I'm pretty active on the Facebook group for the M1, and I thought I'd kind of go through a few things that I see pop up all the time and kind of give you some tips and tricks in a series of videos here. So we're going to start with the base plate. Now, as you can see, this is what happens when you don't understand how the laser works when you're at the very beginning. But the first thing is, do you screw this in? Now, it has screw holes and it is basically meant to be screwed in. But the way that I ended up cleaning, that I'll talk about here in a couple videos, is I ended up taking this out a lot. I also have a third-party honeycomb that I put in. So basically the answer is no. So you don't have to have this screwed in, you just need to make sure that it's put into place and everything. So basically whenever you put it in, make sure it's seated to the front left or back left, as it may be. The next thing is, what do you clean this with? As you can see, I'm not sure the camera will pick it up, but there's a little bit of stuff there. Anytime you cut anything with glue or resin in it, like plywood or whatever, you get gunk everywhere. And so I just clean it with a standard Clorox wipe. You can use alcohol or a baby wipe. I like Clorox because it has a pretty good applicator, and I just wipe it off and let it dry before I put it back in. And if you're concerned, you can always just wipe it off with a paper towel. And the same with the triangles. So I just do the same here. Make sure you get all three sides really well. And again, just set it aside and let it dry. The biggest thing with this is this is actually fairly clean, and that's how much actually came off of there. If you have a lot of cleaning to do, I would recommend wearing gloves, because by the end, you'll have soot all over your fingers and it takes a lot to get it off, and you'll smell like smoke for quite a while. So there you go. Good luck.